Hey traders, TG Watkins here. Is May 31st when I'm recording this, and yeah, we've been looking at the NASDAQ basically off on a tear, especially since NVDA had their earnings and some of the AI, FOMO type stuff that's really like the craze that's been happening right now. But this is really kind of getting up in there to a place that is just getting extremely excessive up there. We've seen NVIDIA do that, AMD do that, the semis, SOXX index. And there are some other names, like CrowdStrike, that had a bit of a move. You could see same situation, very extended up here going into earnings. And so what happened on some of these names going into earnings? Well, we're all the way back down here. How's that? So pretty big move, big drop on CrowdStrike. And then let's see, CRM had one too. That one's all over the place. Not too bad. That one just kind of gotten taken down a little bit. We'll have to see how that's going to react. But if you'll notice, very extended, very extended, and very extended. And what happened after each of those really big extensions? They all pretty much came down, in a good pullback situation. So it's just an area of that you don't want to go buy up there. And then let's go take a look at Okta, because that one had another situation. Not quite as extended, but it was pushing. It was pushing up there, and you could see it had a heck of a run for a few days. And then what happened to earnings? Let's see, where did this thing end up? Right there. Yeah, that's a pretty big drop. Definitely a big drop on that one, all the way back to the daily 50. And then I think AI also had earnings, and kind of the same deal. Is it wise to either be chasing up here? No, I don't think so. Maybe you can hang on to it, but really, if you had a pretty big move like that, it's just good to cash in some and take some profits off the table like that. And so you can see that AI is down a bit, not quite as much as the others, but that's still a fair amount to be giving back. So keep an eye on this stuff. There was a little bit of a AI frenzy, and kind of concerned given the weakness and the poor or weak breadth of the market that names getting up like this, they're just not going to last. So do be careful about it out there, and we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.